If you're eager to elevate your embroidery projects and want a user-friendly machine packed with impressive features, you're in the right place. These fantastic tools make crafting beautiful designs effortless, no matter your skill level. However, with so many options available, picking the perfect embroidery machine can be overwhelming. That's why in this video, I'll walk you through the top 7 embroidery machines. Whether you're just starting your own business or a seasoned professional in search of the ideal machine, there's something here for everyone. You'll find links in the description below to get the best deals on all the products featured. Keep in mind, the machines are presented in no particular order, so stick around to ensure you don't miss out. Number 7 on the list is the Brother SE700, a sewing embroidery machine that's the most affordable option we're featuring. This machine is loaded with useful features, making it a fantastic choice for all kinds of projects. Whether you're sewing clothes, adding playful embroidery details, or experimenting with new ideas, this machine has you covered. One standout feature is its wireless LAN connectivity, letting you send designs directly to the machine without the hassle of USB drives. It's perfect for those who enjoy tech or simply want to save time. With the Brother SE700, you can easily customize your projects. Sketch your own designs on your phone or tablet and send them wirelessly, or choose from a variety of preloaded patterns that you can transfer instantly. The machine offers 135 built-in embroidery patterns and 3 sewing fonts, giving you endless creative options. This combo machine also comes with practical extras like an automatic needle threader, which eliminates the hassle of threading by hand, and a jam-resistant drop-in bobbin for smooth operation. The 4x4 hoop size is ideal for beginners or smaller embroidery projects, and switching between sewing and embroidery modes is seamless. Its 3.7-inch touchscreen display is intuitive and easy to use, so you won't waste time fumbling with confusing settings or tiny buttons. Additionally, the machine includes 8 presser feet, allowing you to tackle everything from zippers to quilting with ease. Being computerized, the Brother SE700 simplifies many tasks so you can focus on the fun and creative aspects of your work. All in all, it's a fantastic blend of affordability, functionality, and creative freedom, making it a great pick for sewing and embroidery enthusiasts alike. Number 6 on the list is the Janome 001MB7, a multi-needle embroidery machine that's perfect for home businesses. With its 7-needle setup, you can load multiple thread colors at once and switch seamlessly between them, eliminating the need to stop and rethread for every color change. This feature saves you a ton of time. The machine boasts a spacious 9.4 by 7.9-inch embroidery field, giving you plenty of room for larger designs, and it operates at speeds of up to 800 stitches per minute. It includes 50 built-in embroidery designs and 10 monogramming fonts, and importing your own designs is as simple as plugging in a USB drive. The Janome 001MB7 is incredibly versatile, supporting popular professional formats like JEF, Plus, JF, and DST, so you can work with a wide range of design files effortlessly. Its auto-return feature is a lifesaver, as it returns the needle to the exact point it stopped if the thread breaks, saving you the frustration of manually realigning your design. Additionally, the machine offers programmable jump thread trimming, which keeps your embroidery neat and professional by automatically cutting excess threads. The remote computer screen makes managing your designs and settings intuitive and efficient. You'll also appreciate the built-in bobbin winder, which allows you to wind new bobbins without interrupting your project. This machine is designed for convenience and durability. It comes with a storage compartment to keep tools and accessories tidy, an embroidery table to support larger projects, and bright LED lighting to illuminate your workspace, even during late-night sessions. However, it's worth noting that this model is focused exclusively on embroidery and doesn't include sewing capabilities, so you'll need a separate machine for stitching or repairs. Overall, the Janome 001MB7 is a top-tier, professional-grade embroidery machine that offers exceptional performance and reliability for those serious about their craft. Number 5 on our list is the Brother PE535 embroidery machine, a top pick for beginners. It comes with 80 built-in embroidery designs ranging from floral motifs to seasonal patterns, ensuring there's something for every style and project. Additionally, it includes 9 font styles, both script and block, so you can easily add personalized touches like names, quotes, or monograms. The 4x4-inch embroidery area is an ideal size for most beginner projects, keeping the machine compact and simple to use while still offering enough room to unleash your creativity. It's a great option for DIY enthusiasts ready to transform their ideas into stunning embroidery. The machine features a 3.2-inch LCD touchscreen, which is intuitive and straightforward to operate. You can preview designs, make adjustments, and even edit them directly on the screen, eliminating any guesswork. It's designed with ease of use in mind, so you don't need to be tech-savvy to get started. For those with custom designs, the built-in USB port makes importing your own creations a breeze. Just plug it into your computer, and you're all set. The Brother PE535 is a dedicated embroidery machine that combines affordability, simplicity, and versatility, making it an excellent choice for anyone new to embroidery. Number 4 on our list is the Smartstich S1501, a powerhouse commercial embroidery machine designed for professionals. Whether you're running a thriving business or simply passionate about creating intricate designs, this machine is equipped to handle it all. With 15 needles, you can load multiple thread colors simultaneously, eliminating the need for constant rethreading. This means you can spend more time crafting and less time adjusting. Its expansive 14 by 20-inch embroidery field is perfect for larger projects like jackets, banners, or other big ideas. Operating at an impressive 1,200 stitches per minute, this machine delivers speed and precision without compromising quality. The machine's 12-inch touchscreen interface makes it incredibly easy to use. You can preview, edit, and select designs directly on the screen, removing any guesswork. Additionally, its built-in Wi-Fi connectivity allows you to send designs wirelessly, streamlining your workflow and saving valuable time. This machine can handle a variety of tasks, including embroidering 3D caps, flat items, t-shirts, and much more. If you can envision it, this machine can likely bring it to life. Whether you're personalizing merchandise, creating custom gifts, or producing high-quality professional designs, the Smartstich S1501 is built to exceed expectations. Number 3 on the list is the Pulan EOC06 embroidery machine, a standout choice for those seeking a high-quality mid-range option. With its generous 7.9 by 11-inch embroidery area, this machine provides ample space to work on larger designs without the worry of running out of room. The 7-inch touchscreen is intuitive and user-friendly, allowing you to preview, edit, and even combine multiple patterns or add text to your projects directly on the screen. It also includes letter embroidery and pattern combination features, giving you plenty of creative flexibility. Plus, it comes fully equipped with essentials like a thread stabilizer, bobbins, and hoops so you can get started without the need for additional purchases. This machine's computerized system simplifies the embroidery process. Just load your design, follow the straightforward steps, and let it do the hard work, stitching with precision. Whether you're creating custom t-shirts, embellishing tote bags, or adding unique details to your wardrobe, this machine is more than capable of handling your ideas. The Pulan EOC06 is a reliable and versatile option, making it an excellent choice for hobbyists and those just getting started with embroidery. Number 2 on our list is the Brother SE600, a versatile sewing embroidery machine that offers the best value. It combines the functionality of both machines, making it perfect for creative enthusiasts. The SE600 includes 80 built-in embroidery designs and a 4x4-inch hoop area, ideal for small projects like monograms, patches, or decorative touches. If you're looking to add a personal flair, the USB port allows you to upload your own unique designs with ease. On the sewing side, the machine features 103 built-in stitches, including decorative options to enhance your creations. It even comes with an automatic needle threader, eliminating the hassle of threading needles manually. This machine also features a jam-resistant drop and top bobbin, ensuring smooth and tangle-free operation. With a sewing speed of up to 710 stitches per minute, it helps you finish projects faster without compromising on quality. The intuitive controls make it easy to switch between settings, even if you're a beginner. For added customization, the variable speed control lets you sew at a pace that feels comfortable to you. The 3.2-inch LCD touchscreen simplifies design and stitch selection, allowing you to preview and edit with just a few taps. The SE600 also comes with 7 sewing feet, letting you handle techniques like zippers, buttonholes, and more with confidence. Affordable and feature-packed, the Brother SE600 is a fantastic all-in-one choice for anyone looking to dive into both sewing and embroidery. Number 1 on our list is the Brother SE2000 embroidery machine, earning the title of Best Overall. This machine is packed with 138 built-in embroidery designs, making it easy to start customizing your project straight out of the box. The spacious 5x7-inch embroidery area provides plenty of room for larger creations, such as personalized shirts, jackets, or decorative home items. If you have your own designs, the USB port lets you upload them seamlessly. On the sewing side, the SE2000 offers an impressive 240 built-in stitches, including decorative options and 10 different buttonhole styles. The large LCD touchscreen allows you to quickly select and edit your stitches or embroidery designs with ease. The machine's automatic needle threader is a huge time saver, eliminating the hassle of manually threading needles. It also features variable speed control, giving you the flexibility to sew at a pace that suits your project. The jam-resistant drop and top bobbin ensures smooth operation by preventing tangles, so you can focus on your creativity without interruptions. Whether you're a hobbyist or someone looking for a dependable machine that excels at both sewing and embroidery, the Brother SE2000 is an outstanding choice, loaded with features to elevate your crafting experience. And that wraps it up. We hope this video helps you narrow down your options and makes finding the perfect embroidery machine a breeze. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and make sure to check the description below for links to the latest prices on all the machines we talked about. See you in the next one.